Silver Official brings you employment news. From CHILLIBREEZE Recruitment. CHILLIBREEZE Recruitment 2024 Notification Shillong. The CHILLIBREEZE Shillong invites application for the post of Infrastructure and Project Planning and Execution. Interested and eligible candidates can apply online and may attend an interview on 2nd of March 2024. Post name Infrastructure or Project Planning and Execution. Number of post 1. Upper age limit 34 years. Salary 20,000 to 25,000 per month. Essential qualification to pass with computer knowledge and basic knowledge of Microsoft Office like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Also, candidates should have strong leadership, communication, and interpersonal skill, develop project plans and budget estimates for infrastructure projects, experience with budget management and financial reporting, ensuring compliance with procurement policies, procedures, and regulations. Manage inventory accuracy by conducting regular cycle counts, audits, and reconciliation. Monitor and track project progress, report status to the project head and team, and escalate issues as necessary. Strong analytical and problem-solving skill with the ability to analyze data, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. So now, how to apply for the CHILLIBREEZE Recruitment 2024 Shillong for Infrastructure and Project Planning and Execution vacancy. And friends, interested and eligible candidates may attend the work interview at CHILLIBREEZE Solution Private Limited, Software Technology Park of India, LAWMALI Route, Shillong, Meghalaya 793001, and the date of interview will be on 2nd of March 2024. And thank you for watching.